Welcome, my dear students. Today we're gonna start with theme number 4, which is called Communication. Chapter 1, Sounds of Music. Sarah plays an instrument. An instrument, it's a tool that you can use to play music. Let's read the story together. Sarah made new friends. Sarah likes her new home. Sarah's friends like music. Sarah likes music too. Sarah wants to learn to play music. Music makes Sarah happy. What instrument should Sarah play? In this page, the title is I Hear. Draw what you hear. Listen. What is this? Yes, this is a drum. Now draw a drum. Welcome, my dear students. Today we have lesson 2 in chapter 1, high and low. Draw two objects that make a high sound. What objects can make a high sound? Yes, like bell and drum. Okay, draw two objects that make a low sound. Like what? Yes, like flute and the sound of steps. Welcome, my dear students. Today we have lesson 3 in chapter 1, making a kazoo. What the meaning of kazoo? Kazoo is a small musical instrument consisting of a hollow pipe with a hole in it. The directions say, draw a line to match each step to the correct order. Then draw a picture of your kazoo. Here we have steps, but they are not arranged. Let's read it. Put a rubber band around the paper. Play a song on your kazoo. Cover the end of the tube with paper. Make a hole in the tube. What do you think? What is the first step? Very good. Make a hole in the tube. Now, let's match. Okay, what is the second step? Yes, cover the end of the tube with paper. Very good. What is the third step? Yes, put a rubber band around the paper. Okay, what is the fourth step? Yes, the last one. Play a song on your kazoo. Match. Very good. Turn the page. Draw your kazoo in 8 colors. Now it's your turn to draw your kazoo, and don't forget to color it. Welcome, my dear students. Today we have lesson 4 in chapter 1, Sign language. What is the sign language? Sign language is using your hands for speaking instead of your voice, and it's useful if you are talking to a deaf person. So, write the meaning next to each sign. Word bank, thank you, and yes and no. The first sign here, this sign is for yes. The second sign is for thank you. The third sign is for no. And the one behind it is for yes. Welcome, my dear students. Today we have lesson 6 in chapter 1, drum patterns. Work with your team. Record your patterns on the blanks. Write D for drum. Write O for no sound. So if we have sound like that, this is D. And if we have no sound, write O. Play the pattern D D O D D. Then write 2 patterns that you and your team made, like D O D O D or D D O D D. Play whatever you want. Welcome, my dear students. Today we have lesson 8, chapter 1. Tell me something. Learn about animals, solve the math problems, and write the answers on the blanks. Number 1. A cricket has chirp as many as space times per second. And here we have 12 plus 3. It equals? Very good, 15. Let's go with number 2. Songbirds may take as many as space breaths per second. And here we have 14 plus 6 equals? Very good, 20. Let's go with number 3. Ducks can only make space different sounds. And here we have 19 minus 4 equals? Yes, very good, 15. Welcome, my dear students. Today we have lesson 9 in chapter 1, instrument planning. Draw the materials you will need, then draw your new instrument. Here, in the first rectangle, draw the materials you will use to make your instrument. In the second rectangle, draw your instrument.